If you're wondering whether Confluence, Notion, or Coda fits your workflow best in 2025, here's a breakdown of what each brings to the table and where they fall short. First, Confluence is built for structured knowledge management at scale. Organized spaces, version history, permissions, and strong search make it ideal for large teams that need reliable documentation. It integrates well with its ecosystem and keeps information consistent. But for small teams, it can feel heavy, with a steeper learning curve and limited flexibility on the free plan. Then there's Notion. Its strength is flexibility and simplicity. A block-based editor, drag and drop design, and loads of templates make it great for notes, wikis, simple databases, and lightweight project tracking. Smaller teams and individuals benefit most. However, large databases can lag, advanced automation is limited, and enterprise needs may stretch its performance and permissions. Finally, Coda offers deeper power. Docs function like spreadsheets or mini apps with formulas, automations, and connected data. It suits teams managing complex workflows, dashboards, or structured processes, but it has a steeper learning curve and may feel too complex for users wanting simple notes or wikis. So which is best for you? If you're a small team or freelancer needing flexible notes or light project management, Notion is the easiest start. If you need enterprise structure, permissions, and stable documentation, Confluence fits best. If your work is data heavy and automation driven, Coda delivers the most power.